I don't know every turn, but I've seen enough of Jesus to trust what I have learned. He's been faithful in the valleys, He's been faithful on the climb, and every step He's walked beside me has brought healing over time. Not perfect, just growing, not finished, but moving. I'm walking in wholeness, one step at a time, leaving fear behind me and keeping Christ inside. His grace is still enough, His peace is still my guide. I'm walking in wholeness, with Jesus by my side. Oh. There were days I couldn't see it, there were days I felt so small, but the great physician kept working through it all. Now I see the seeds He planted, in the tears I cried before, in the places that once felt broken don't define me anymore. Not perfect, just growing, not finished, but moving. I'm walking in wholeness, one step at a time, leaving fear behind me and keeping Christ inside. His grace is still enough, His peace is still my guide. I'm walking in wholeness, with Jesus by my side. Yesterday is not my story, fear no longer has my name. I am held by grace and mercy, and forever I am changed. Yesterday is not my story, fear no longer has my name. I am walking in His goodness, and I'll never be the same. I'm walking in wholeness, one step at a time, leaving fear behind me and keeping Christ inside. His grace is still enough, His peace is still my guide. I'm walking in wholeness, with Jesus by my side. One step at a time, one day at a time, walking in wholeness, with Jesus by my